All right, so for this SAT English question, it says many mosquito repellents contain natural components that work by activating multiple odor receptors on mosquitoes' antennae. As the insects develop resistance, new repellents are needed. Keydong and her team found that EBF, molecular component of the flower extract, can repel mosquitoes by activating just one odor receptor, and this receptor, OR31, is present in all mosquito species known to carry diseases. Very cool. Therefore, the researchers suggest that in developing new repellents, it would be most useful to what? And the question asks which choice most logically completes the text. Pause the video and try to answer the question by yourself. So the correct answer here is going to be A. All right. So why is it the answer choice of A? Well, because you have to think. So it is stated in the thing that it's this EBF, right? This molecular component from the flower is very effective at repelling mosquitoes. Now, why? Well, it's because it specifically activates that OR31 receptor, right, which is common to all disease-carrying species, as is stated in the text right here. And so the next logical step for researchers who want to develop new repellents, because if you have this EBF that targets OR31, that's cool and all, right? But the mosquitoes can like develop, resistance, right? So you're always going to need to develop new repellents. But when you develop new repellents, you want the ones that will affect the most mosquitoes at once. So if all the mosquitoes have this OR31 receptor and you can create like one repellent that works on all of them, that's cool, right? So now the next step is to find, or like invest in repellent development to find similar molecules to the EBF that would also just target the OR31 receptors, because the OR31 receptors are in all mosquitoes, right? Because if you find like 50 different alternatives, just like EBF, then you can make 50 different repellents, right? And then you can stave off the mosquitoes for a lot longer. So that's why A is the correct answer. Let's look at the other answer choices. B says investigate alternative methods for extracting EBF molecules. Not the correct answer here because the passage focuses on developing new repellents. It says, therefore, the researchers suggest that in developing new repellents, right, not just relying on the EBF molecule, so it can't be B. C says verify the precise location of OR31 and other odor receptors on mosquitoes' antenna. That's incorrect because while like OR31's like presence is important, the passage still, they want to develop new repellents, not continue to study these different types of receptors, because they know, okay, OR31 is this one receptor in all these mosquitoes. That's cool and all. We don't need to like find new odor receptors on the mosquito's antenna. So that's not the choice. And D says determine the maximum number of different odor receptors that can be activated by a single molecule. Again, passage, the passage is talking about developing new repellents, not, also it's talking about targeting one odor receptor, which is OR31. And so that is like the foundation of building new repellents. And then this answer choice D is talking about the maximum number of different odor receptors. So we're not trying to maximize receptor activation or the number of receptors we're activating. We just want the one that's widespread in every single mosquito, and therefore it can't be D. And that does it for the video. If you want more videos just like this, make sure you subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.